Hello, hello, and welcome. You are with Dr. Pamela Smith. Thank you for joining me, your love doctor, as we do another talk of love and relationship. As you see, this talk is about uh, the type of security love that you're seeking. What do you mean, love doctor? What are you seeking in your relationships? Are you seeking emotional security, financial security, or relationship security? And I'm talking about that because in relationships, we're we're seeking something that we're looking for when we go out seeking. Now, if you're not that person that goes out and seek and that person crosses your path, then that's different. But most of us going out hoping that we'll run into someone. And a lot of times our mindset is based on what we are looking in a relationship, be it financial security, be it emotional security, or relationship security. And I'm going to explain what that means. And those are the three I'm going to talk about right now. There's other things that we seek within relationships, but this is very, very important to talk about. And I'm talking about this, and hopefully you all are still with me. I'm going back and forth in the book. So again, make sure that you get the book. Make sure that you purchase it. You can download it instantly or get the actual book, which is very colorful in here. I got a lot of color pictures in here, okay? So make sure you get it. All right, now, thank you for joining me. Thank you for subscribing, okay? Now, let's talk about emotional security, okay? What does that mean, love doctor? A lot of time, emotional security is about your safety. You're looking for somebody who can give you stability emotionally, meaning you're looking for someone that will not drop out on you when it comes to your love or connection. And so you're seeking that stability within emotions. And you're hoping that this person that has come into your life is going to fulfill your emotions and desires for being connected. Okay? Financial security. Financial security comes with money. You're looking for someone that can fulfill your money issues or help you with money situations or help you cover your expenses or just take care of you, or you're looking for future finances so that you don't have to worry about money. Okay? And then my last is that relationship security. Relationship security is a person that you believe is going to be secure in that loving relationship. That once you meet that person, you're not afraid to give them a piece of you, a part of your love and your heart, and not be misused. And that they're not insecure about being in a relationship and getting to know you. Okay? So why do people seek security? Why do people seek certain type of security within relationships? Why do we do that? And there's different things I'm going to say that brings that about. Because when you're looking for emotional security, a lot of times you're looking for the connection. You want someone to really truly connect with you and give you attention to fulfill your emotions and how you feel, and you want that feeling that is secure, that that person is truly into you. And when you're looking for financial security, you're looking for a breadwinner. You're looking for somebody to really truly fulfill what you may lack in. And you feel that you need somebody to help you in that department. And so you look for that type of mate. And then your relationship, you really want a relationship because you're looking to ending that dating life or ending being single. You want to find someone you can trust totally and marry. And so you're looking for a secure relationship. and you're looking for secure love. And this is what people are seeking. Oh my God, you know this. I'm so sorry. I didn't even know that it was on. So the other thing, so why do some people look for that type of security? Well, they want to be able to eat. When I was talking about the financial side, they want to know that they can eat, that they're able to eat, that they'll have a roof over their head. They want to know that that is going to be secure. They want to have that extra money. They want to, make sure that they can eat. When they're looking for that emotion, they want to avoid being alone. They want somebody to be with them. They don't want to be by themselves. They want somebody to help them with their insecurity and maybe feeling depressed sometime and feeling by themselves. And then and then you got that relationship side. They just want to settle for somebody and they want to feel that they're being loved. And so we sometimes settle for relationships. And I'm talking about this because being secure in relationship, yeah, sometimes they matter, but then you got to watch what you're getting involved in within these relationships, and that your expectation of that type of relationship. Here's my solution about it. You can't, it's difficult for you to look for someone to fulfill your emotions. Okay? Everybody is an individual who's seeking love, right? Or hope to be loved. But they can't fulfill your emotions. They can't satisfy every emotion. You have to get secure with self. And you have to deal with any issues you have with self first. Bringing your depression or your lack of insecurity to someone else is not a good way to go into relationships. And I talk about this. If you're not ready, don't get into a relationship. If you have issues in your life, it could be just got out of divorce, it could be you lost, grieving a past family member, it could be a lack of finances, it could be losing a job. It's just not time to get in a relationship, and you go and get into it for these emotions and to fulfill your finances, and you just want to be in a relationship, and you're now in a situation that you shouldn't be in. You have to just wait to find that connection in a mate when you're in your right space, so that somebody can give you 100% of commitment. You see, they can give you secure emotions, secure finances, and give you a secure relationship, because it's based on your place of being ready and knowing what makes you happy. You see? And so my whole thing in this being safe and protected is first feeling safe and protected with self first. And then you'll get that 100% commitment in a relationship, and you'll get someone who will fulfill your lack of finances, and then they'll fulfill your emotions. Okay? So I hope that the talk I just talked to you about is going to help you understand how to be secure in relationships, how to be strong in those relationships, and take them to the next level. So you've been with Love, Dr. Pamela Smith. Thank you. Make sure you go to the link in the description below and get more information about how you can get your book and how you can talk to me and get any help that you need. So you've been with Love, Dr. Pamela Smith. Remember, only love is delayed. Enjoy life and be happy and seek happiness and peace. I'll see you soon, guys. Take care.